Yun. Guys, for today's vlog, I want to get some pillow. I can't see myself. Ooh. I can't open it. Guys, get the small green sampaloks. Aray! Something's literally biting me.
Ate, check may dumidikit na plant.
Okay guys. Oh, ang daming sampalok yung.
Longganisa.
Longganisa.
Kasi mahaba.
Guys, ang daming sampalok, guys. Dito oh. So here. You know. Ito. Oh, this is my favorite type of sampalok. Tas alamang, guys. This one. Can I see? Hello? Oh yeah, this one. Aray. I can't see myself, but okay.
Ate dyan, ate dyan. Ate dyan.
Can eat it. It's so yummy, y'all. I'm gonna eat it. Is it on?
Yeah. You just touch the screen. Swipe up.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. So,
Guys,
guys,
come with me.
this is my outfit for
Oh, there's some palette there.
this is my outfit for the day.
You have pockets.
It's cute, right? No. No pocket. Okay, let's go with Jaden. Okay, next clip.
Parang kasi grandad. Nakahanap.
It's the cup, guys. Yeah.
Ate, after.
You hear that? That's nice. Oh, what the hemi. So guys, we're gonna get some palok because yeah, they want some palok. I don't want some palok. Point 5. Oh, right up there, you see that? You guys see that one? I adjust you. Wow. So pretty, right?
Oh, there. You know si Baati?
Kapahawak ko lang. Hey, tree, can you hold
Oh,
this?
wait. I want the cabbage. Ate Jazzy, look at this.
Ate, wag. Baka mahulog.
Go way back to Honolulu just to get that. Get Maui Wowie. Get Maui Wowie. Okay, next.
Pay a little here. Let me get that.
Where?
Ate Jazzy, oh.
Come
to mama.
Oh. Okay.
It's the young one. It has no...
Look out. Oh my god, they're eating it. I can't eat that.
I can't see myself. Hello?
We screen lock. Okay, you lock the screen. Okay. That's how they ate it, guys. And I'm not gonna eat like that. I don't even eat normal sampalok. Anyway. There's Jaden. He's hukayin sa taas. Okay, I'm gonna go there now. I'll vlog them. Oh, he's washing clothes.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Say hi, mommy.
Hinog na to?
Opo.
Ito yung maasim.
Ang sarap kaya. I ate 2 already. One more. One more. Let's eat one more.
Okay.
Gansam.
Sayang wala tayong alamang.
Kurang ano ti
We have no alamang.
kurang ano ti kastan.
So this is the shed.
Tati ado nga imul mo.
When you left, I
Bilis,
lost
itit na! Oh. That's your bark?
Jane girl.
Then,
It's me, Jane.
Okay, they're eating the sampalok.
I wanna swim na.
Do you swim?
Swim na.
So these are our dogs. That's Janie, girl. Say hi, Janie. Where's Joey?
I don't
Ate,
know.
hala pa.
Who are you?
Are you Maha?
Asin
No, that's Ho. I know
Ho's
is
gone.
white.
Ay,
Maha is
oo nga.
dead too.
This is Ho pala.
Ho is dead too. It's
Okay,
white.
oo nga, Ho. Maha is gone. Camp. This is camp.
Transformation.
Meron ng calculator no?
Calculator. Okay, say what's the yummy of that one.
When you left. Wait.
Maligo na kayo.
dito po kami ngayon sa Camp Hoomaha. Dumi nung screen. Yan. Papainit lang po kasi nag 9 degrees kanina sa Baguio. So papasikat ko lang yung aking bagong yan o. Okay ba? Andun yung solar solar panels niya and the EcoFlow. So, syempre swimming na sila. Okay ba? Ayos ba yung swimming nyo? Okay na, at least ayos na yung CR. Ayan, okay na rin yung no? Yung tawag na to? Yung shade, Ayan, okay na rin yung shade. Aray, wag niyo akong babasahin. Kasi pinapalitan ko na ng bakal. Bakal na yan para hindi na naman naanay kasi yung footing nito eh. Ayan, so bakal na. Pero sumasayaw. Nakakatakot. Yan, yung pati yung nailipad na bubong ng CR okay na. Yes. Ay, meron ng meron ng dahon yung acacia. Yes. And tignan natin kung may bunga na tong siniguelas. Squat pa. Bubunga na ba tong siniguelas? Hoy, may mga bunga na siya. Nag-start na siyang mamunga. Ayan yung mga bunga niya. Up, yeah. Nag-start. Dami sa taas. So, wala ibig sabihin yan. Ready na ba kayong siniguelas, yung annual siniguelas fruit picking natin? Okay, pati mga papaya, At least meron ng kwantong acacia ngayon. Bumalik na yung kanyang mga dahon. Okay. Nice. Sarap ng hangin. Sarap ng hangin dito. Presko yung hangin. Ang sarap.
Namin, O God, na Ikaw, Lord, ang tutugon sa lahat po ng mga idinadalangin ni Auntie Gay according to the richness of your kingdom, O God. We know, Lord, na meron ka pa pong purpose para sa auntie namin, Panginoon. Kaya naman, Lord, nawa ay Palagi niyo pong iparamdam sa Kanya, Panginoon. Iaalay po namin ito sa inyo, Panginoon, ang bawat awitin na aming awitin, na aming awitin.
Over every heart and every mind. 'Cause I know there is peace within your presence. I'll sing your name inside. Break every stronghold, shine through the shadows, burn like the fire. Shadows, burn like the fire. Your name is power, your name is healing, your name. Alam ko, Lord, na lahat pong nangyayari nito is para po sa inyo. We understand, Lord, na kayo lang po ang may dahilan ng lahat ng nangyayari nito, Lord. Kaya alam ko nang di kayang tumbasan mo, Diyos, ng katarungan at katwiran na kahit minsan di na bahira ang kabanalan at kalwalhatian. Salamat sa sugdulang biyaya mo, oh Diyos ng pati. It's like 1,000 years. And 1,000 years are like a day. Hirap intindihin, no? Again, yung verse 8. But do not forget this one thing, dear friends. With the Lord, a day is like 1,000 years. And 1,000 years. Okay? With the Lord, a day is like 1,000 years. And 1,000 years are like a day. How did that happen? Paano nangyari yun? Actually, if you're going to read it properly, this is God's timing in our lives. Pag minsan iniisip kasi natin na, Lord, bakit ang tagal kong makalabas sa paghihirap na to? But para sa Panginoon, mabilis lang yun. Dito lang kasi, the Lord's timing is different. Yun yung dapat intindihan natin na pag minsan pinapangunahan natin siya in our decisions, sometimes sa mga decision natin today, this is God's will. Kung sino yung mga nandito, this is His will. This is His will. Kaya tayo nandito ngayon. And I'm very happy na this is Auntie's Day. Diba? Perfect. God's timing is perfect. This is another testimony sa buhay natin. This timing is perfect. Ang ganda ng weather. Nakapunta tayo ditong lahat ng safe. Walang aberya yung sasakyan. May pagkain tayo. May pagsasaro. Pagdating doon talagang, Lord, emotion na naman ito. Instead of leaning to our knowledge or to our emotion, why don't we lean to the limitless? Kaya, simula nung ginawa ko yun, ito testimony na lang. Madaming times, alam nyo na nangyari to sa akin na nawalan na ako ng work. Nung namatay si daddy, nawala lahat ng work ko nun. Ay, nagregad-regad ko yung na ibus ang aming savings ko. As in. Siguro 5-6 months na awang trabaho. Pero, nagtataka nga kami ni Luna eh. Saan ko ba yan nailibas? Panginoon sa araw na binigay nyo ito, Lord. Sa napakagandang araw na to. Sa perfect na araw na to. Sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sige, Auntie. Yay! Let's clap 70! 70!